Welcome. Let's step back in time and discover a fascinating moment from December 4th in history. Imagine a world on the cusp of a new era. On this very day in 1945, the United States officially recognized the new government of the Philippines, marking a significant step in the nation's journey towards independence. This event wasn't just a diplomatic handshake. It represented a profound shift in global dynamics and the aspirations of a people. Fast forward to 1998, and we see another pivotal moment. The Mars Pathfinder mission, a groundbreaking endeavor in space exploration, successfully landed its Sojourner rover on the Martian surface. This incredible achievement opened up new frontiers in our understanding of the Red Planet, inspiring generations to look up at the stars with wonder and curiosity. These are just two glimpses into the rich tapestry of December 4th. Each day holds stories waiting to be uncovered, reminding us of the progress, innovation, and resilience that shape our world. Thank you for joining us on this historical journey. If you enjoyed this peek into the past, consider following for more captivating moments from history.